Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to take a sneak peek at the best infant car seat on the market. So if you're planning on buying one, you've come to the right place. Do check out the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Let's get started. Best overall, KeyFit. The KeyFit 35 Zip ClearTex extended use infant car seat comfortably maximizes rear-facing use with more headrest height and legroom, accommodating growth up to 32 inches tall. ClearTex features no added chemicals from textiles to tags, and the breathable canopy features a zip-open, full-coverage privacy shield. The easiest to install infant car seat also features a machine-washable, quick-remove seat pad for easy cleanup. The GREENGUARD Gold Certified KeyFit 35 Zip ClearTex has been tested for low chemical emissions, contributing to healthier air quality around a baby. It features a 5-position easy extend headrest system that raises with the harness to accommodate growth up to 32 inches tall, allowing you to keep your little one in the same rear-facing seat longer. The integrated anti-rebound bar provides added stability for every ride while offering extended legroom for your growing baby. A removable ergonomic newborn positioner supports infants weighing 4 to 11 pounds. Easiest to install, top-rated, innovative safety features make this the most accessible infant car seat to install and use correctly every time. Premium latch connectors, SuperCinch force-multiplying tighteners help achieve a secure fit with a fraction of the effort. The LockSure steel-reinforced belt system helps achieve a snug fit with the vehicle belt. Best features: Graco Snug Ride. The lightweight Graco Snug Ride 35 Lite LX infant car seat supports infants from 4 to 35 pounds and up to 32 inches. The car seat weighs just 7.2 pounds, making it easy to carry baby from car to stroller. The 4-position adjustable base with level indicator ensures an accurate install, and soft 2-piece infant head and body support keep the baby snug and comfortable. The Snug Ride 35 attaches with a 1-step secure connection to Graco's strollers so you can create your travel system. It has an adjustable base with a pendulum level indicator that ensures an accurate install and helps keep the baby comfortable as they grow. Best budget: Evenflow LightMax. The Evenflow LightMax 35 is the most affordable car seat in the Evenflow infant car seat lineup, but don't let that fool you into thinking it's anything less than a top-tier car seat option for parents. The LightMax infant car seat holds children up to 35 pounds, often listed at stores as the LightMax or the LightMax 35. It offers a full suite of safety and convenience features, making it an excellent choice for families shopping for a newborn. Parents love how lightweight this car seat is, and ergonomic handle easy to carry. They also like easy installation with the 2-step vehicle belt lock-off system. Evenflow is an industry leader in rollover test standards. This car seat exceeds federal side impact safety standards if you're a parent who shops savvy without wanting to compromise on safety. Easy to install. UPPAbaby Mesa. The Mesa is designed with intuitive innovations, and you can see the features that remove the guesswork. Its smart, secure system combines auto-retracting latch connectors and a visual indicator that turns from red to green, providing an installation that is both accurate and straightforward. Its smart, secure system combines auto-retracting latch connectors and a visual indicator that turns from red to green, providing an installation that is both accurate and straightforward. Front adjust no rethread harness and integrated side impact protection, as well as a one-handed release from both the Vista and the Cruise, delivers a seat that effectively pairs safety with simplicity. The Mesa Jordan soft goods are made of wool blend material bonded to foam wool that naturally resists flaming and is comfortable in warm and cool climates. It weighs in at under 10 pounds. It also comes with storage pockets for harness buckles, 2 crotch buckle positions for an easy removable and washable seat. Best all-in-one. Doona. Doona Infant Car Seat, from car seat to stroller in seconds. This next-generation car seat is the world's first complete and fully integrated travel system, allowing you to move from car seat to stroller in seconds. The sleek and stylish design will enable you to navigate the streets with ease, without disturbing your sleeping child when hopping in a car, traveling by bus, or walking up the stairs. The revolutionary car seat and stroller provide a safe and practical solution for parents on the go. Doona is the only car seat to have been tested and certified as an infant car seat, a stroller, and an infant carrier, providing overarching safety for your child in all circumstances. With its unique 3-layer side impact protection, anti-rebound bar crash technology, superior 5-point safety harness, and ergonomic infant insert, Doona are one of the safest car seats available today. This baby stroller and car seat combo has integrated wheels that can quickly flip from a car seat or even an on-the-ground rocker into a modern push travel system. The handle can be used to carry the infant carrier and can be extended when on the floor to enable easy rocking. With medical and engineering experts, Doona's convertible car seat has been designed to ensure that the insert's near-flat ergonomic design boosts your newborn's upper and lower back and ensures that your baby's neck and back are ergonomically aligned.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.